Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I teamed up with Maybelline to be part of their Halloween campaign. I'm actually going to be in stores throughout the entire month of October, which is absolutely insane to me. Like, I can't even wrap my mind around it. If you go into the stores and you see my face, make sure you snap me, Insta story me, tag me, and don't forget to hashtag MNY Halloween because that's also Maybelline's Halloween hashtag. So they're gonna be looking through there, I'll be looking through there, and I always just love seeing your guys' recreations. I wanted to create something that was easy to do and that you could do with makeup that you use year round. All right, you guys, before we jump into the tutorial, I wanted to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and make sure that you turn on post notifications so that you don't miss when I upload a new video. Alrighty, so let's get started on the video. So we're going to be using the Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette, and the first eyeshadow that we're going to be using is Ice Pop, and I'm using a slightly denser blending brush for this step because I just love how matte and bright this shadow is, and I really wanted to pack it in there and really make it pop. Once I had it as bright as I wanted, I used a really light touch and just went over it one more time to make sure that it was nice and blended. Next, I took Lemonade Craze and I used a really light touch and just dusted it over where the pink tapered off. On the lid, I'm using a flat brush to apply citrus eyeshadow, and I'm packing it on there, and I'm also using sweeping motions. On the lower lid, we're taking Lasting Drama matte eyeliner in jet black, and I really love this eyeliner, guys. It's very black, which I appreciate. And then I'm also gonna smoke out the lower lash line with Ice Pop eyeshadow. Next, we're taking Master Precise All Day liquid liner in black, and I'm just lining the lid first, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring that tail outwards, and I'm actually making this wing a little bit lower than I normally would, and I'm sorry it's out of focus here, guys, but I'm basically pulling it back towards the lid, connecting it, and then just dragging it outwards until I get it nice and even. So next we're adding some Cleopatra inspired details to the eyes. I'm just slowly building that detail out, and I went over it a bunch of times until it was a little bit thicker and how I liked it. We're also going to add a line to the crease using the Master Precise All Day liner in black, and I'm doing the same thing, kind of just inching it over little by little, making sure that that line is even. And then towards the end, I took it right above the wing and just swooped it out and kept it really skinny towards the end, and I really liked the way it looked. And after I did my lashes, I added the Color Sensational Into Matte nude lipstick in Beige Babe. And then to complete my goddess look, I actually just took a gold necklace and pinned it into my hair. Alright, you guys, that was the whole tutorial. I hope that you like this look and that you recreate it with ease. Don't forget to tag me because I would love to see your guys' stuff. My necklace is supposed to be lower or higher? I don't know. Thank you guys for watching as always. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, feelings, opinions, Halloween requests. I would love to hear them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.